We're inside the one store, and they told me what it was, and I forget the name of it right away. But we bought 2 Kyber Crystals in this bag. I'm going to go outside and open them. One of them, I might possibly get the mysterious black one. We'll see. But this over there, I'll show it more out here and there. But this is a cool store.
You might go look at
Here's what some of those Kyber Crystals look like, I think. See these things?
Excuse me.
Excuse me.
If you ever see Hellraiser, this kind of reminds me from Hellraiser. Doesn't this remind you of the cube from Hellraiser?
Oh.
Yeah.
I don't like that skin.
Alright, let's get outside and check in those Kyber Crystals and see which ones you got. The mysterious one.
Ready?
Alright, here we go. Here, I'm going to have you hold this. Let me open up the crystals. Open them.
Yes.
Take this. I bought a red and a blue. Now the blue is definitely going to be blue. It's the red that you either get red in there or you get the rare black. So let's see. See how we get these open. Now these are $15 a piece. Normally I would never spend this, but I wanted to get at least 1 or 2. So $30 for 2 of these things, so quite a bit. They don't make these things easy to get into. They used to have it where you could look in there and see what it was. You know you weren't supposed to, but I think they changed the packaging. That's good. I'd rather be surprised like this. Alright, put that little wrapper in there. Let's hope maybe we got the black one.
Oh.
Now, it looks like we got the red, which is okay. And these aren't I don't think these are actually real crystals. I think these are manufactured, but they're still cool looking. Kyber crystals, I think that's what that's what they've used in the lightsabers. Then they use Kyber crystals in like the Death Star, real big ones. But yeah, here's the red, so no black.
Wait, let me see. Wait.
No, that's like a plastic.
Plastic.
So, okay, which is cool. I didn't really care. But I still liked the black one time. See, the inside has this paper. That used to be where I think they didn't have the paper, and people would be able to do this and look in. But they changed that because people was looking for the rare black ones. So they don't have that anymore. Okay. One day I'll get the black one. Let's put that in. Now this one I know is definitely going to be blue, but I wanted to get at least be guaranteed a different color. These things aren't easy to open. I think that's by design. Try my trusty old keys. This takes too long. I can always open this later, but I'd rather open this here. Definitely not easy, guys. But I think they do that because they don't want people sneakily opening them. There it goes. Okay, well, like expected, there's the blue in here, but I already knew that because the blue you're guaranteed. One day I'd like to get the whole set, including the black one. Okay. That's the blue Kyber crystal, and I showed you with the red one. We'll find that mysteriously black one day. Here it is. These are 15. Isn't it awesome? Let's see. This crystal is attuned to the Force. It can be used with Savis Workshop hand-built lightsabers and holochromes. Awesome. Okay. Let's get going, everyone.